Hey guys, my name is Crystal Flynn and I'm coming to you all the way from Nova Scotia, Canada. I just wanted to hop on and share with you guys a little bit about earning an income from home with crafting, home decor, and more. How fun, right? Now, before we get into it, I want to tell you that we have an amazing opportunity group where you can get all the info you need to make an informed decision on if this is the right fit for you. So check for the link in the comments down below. It's such a great resource, guys. It's completely free to check out. All you need to do is answer the question, who invited you, with my name, Crystal Flynn, for your all access pass to this valuable info. You owe it to yourself to check it out. Now, let me tell you, there's 8 ways to work this business, and we have tons of resources. We have training modified to our current unfortunate situation of being isolated. The great thing about working this business online is that anyone can do it. You don't have a business degree, that's okay. You don't need any special talents. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, well, I don't know anything about working a business from home. Totally fine. Anyone can do this, really. We are here to help you every step of the way. You might also be thinking to yourself, I'm not very crafty either. That's okay too. We got you covered there as well. Our products are so incredible and basically foolproof. You owe it to yourself to check this out seriously. Be sure to come back and check in the comments for the link to the group and my contact info for any further questions you have. Reach out. There are lots of people out there right now, all ages, that need a creative outlet. While it's easy to assume no one's going to spend money during these uncertain times, nothing could be further from the truth. We need this. We need to feel part of a community. We need to provide our families. We need a sense of accomplishments during these times. We also need to be there to offer this amazing creative outlet for all the crafters out there. So don't delay. Contact me today. I look forward to hearing from you and discussing how I can help. Stay safe, be healthy, and I'll talk to you soon.